Tesla Cybertruck survives collision with 0 scratches. One of the jokes that car enthusiasts typically tell each other is that damages from a crash, no matter how serious, could probably get buffed out. In the case of a Tesla Cybertruck that was sideswiped by a Ford Mustang, this turned out to be quite true. In fact, the Cybertruck didn't even need to get buffed out at all. It just needed some cleaning and some new paint protection film. As shared by Tesla owner The Megawatts on Instagram, his Cybertruck was involved in a sideswipe collision with a Mustang. The collision seemed substantial, as the Mustang's sides were marked with the Cybertruck's PPF after the crash. The Mustang's side mirror was also evidently damaged from the crash, as could be seen in the TeslaCam recording of the incident. Unfortunately for the Cybertruck driver, the driver of the Mustang opted to drive away from the incident. As noted by the Cybertruck driver, he opted not to pursue the Mustang due to safety concerns. Though the California Highway Patrol (CHP) has been informed about the issue and an investigation has been initiated. The CHP has also asked for videos and other information surrounding the crash. Interestingly enough, the Cybertruck was actually completely unharmed by the sideswipe collision. As noted by the Tesla owner, the Cybertruck's paint protection film was scratched during the incident, but when the PPF itself was removed, the all-electric pickup truck's stainless steel panels were completely undamaged. This was highlighted in a video that the Cybertruck owner shared on YouTube. As could be seen in the video, the Cybertruck's steel panels just needed some cleaning before a PPF replacement could be installed. Overall, the Tesla owner noted that the entire PPF replacement took just a couple of hours. After that, the all-electric pickup truck looked like it was never sideswiped at all. Elon Musk lightly commented during the Tesla Cybertruck's first delivery event late last year that if you're ever in an argument with another car, you will win. This definitely seemed to be the case with the Cybertruck in this incident. Based on the TeslaCam footage of the crash, the same cannot be said for the Mustang that sideswiped the Cybertruck. The Cybertruck owner's video of the incident can be viewed below. Source: reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at teslarati.